Cobb Industrial Incorporated, a premier AISC certified steel fabricator. Cobb Industrial manufactures, fabricates, and installs commercial, industrial, and residential steel, including structural steel buildings, stairways, railings, gates, and specialty metals like stainless steel. Our new 40,000 square foot state-of-the-art fabrication facility and corporate offices in North Georgia service the structural steel needs of our customers across the U.S. Cobb Industrial provides value engineering expertise, as well as in-house detailing, 3D modeling, and design, using technology such as SDS2, Advanced Steel, and AutoCAD. For project management, inventory, and production control, FabSuite steel management software is used. Steel tracking software from P2 programs is utilized to barcode and track all parts for a project, from the time the steel is cut to the time it is delivered. In the main plant, fabrication begins with an industry-renowned Peddinghaus beam line. The BDL 1250 allows Cobb Industrial to use an automated process that will precisely cut and drill lengths of steel to exact required specifications. Our 16,000 square foot facility next door fabricates the stairs, railings, and other miscellaneous items to be used on each project. Our fabrication process is carried out using documented AISC quality control standards and guidelines. All work is fabricated by certified welders and thoroughly inspected. Continuing to grow, Cobb Industrial has started development of our third manufacturing plant. A new 40,000 square foot facility is underway in Marietta, Georgia. Experience, consistency, the ability to successfully bring projects to completion on time and within budget. Cobb Industrial Incorporated.